Hello everyone, welcome back to Shrey's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to take the angle to draw any shape. How will you decide the angle? What angle you have to take to draw any shape? So for that you have to divide 360, the number 360 with the number of sides. So for example, you want to draw a triangle. So to draw a triangle, you have to divide the number 360 with the number of sides. Now, why do we take only 360? The reason is the complete rotation is 360 degrees. So, the reason we have to use 360. So, if you want to draw a triangle, you have to divide 360 by the number 3. The reason is the triangle has 3 sides. So, that's the reason we have to divide with the 3. So, how will you divide 360 with the number 3? 3 ones are 3. Now here the remainder is 0. Now 6. 3 twos are 6. Then 0 and this 0 you have to take here. So what is the angle for triangle? You have to use 120 degrees for the triangle. So like that you have to divide the number 360 with the number of sides. Now, for example, you want to draw a hexagon. So, for hexagon, what you have to do, how many sides the hexagon has? 6. So, 360 divided by 6. So, 6 6 are 36. And this 0 will be taken here. So, hexagon, what is the angle you have to take? 60. So like this, you can divide 360 with the number of sides and you can decide the angle. I hope it's very clear. To draw any shape, you have to, how will you take the angle? You have to divide the number 360 with the number of sides. You will get the, whatever quotient you will get, that will be the, whatever quotient you, so whatever quotient you will get, that will be the angle for the shape. Now, how will you draw a circle? To draw a circle, you have to divide 360 with the number. Now, as we all know that the circle does not have any sides. So, for that, but the complete rotation is 360 degrees. So, you have to divide 360 with the number 360. And you all know that 360 ones are 360, right? So, this is the quotient for the circle. So, you have to use the angle 1 to draw a circle. So, like this, you can decide in the angle for the shapes. Now, here in Scratch, we'll draw a circle. So, to draw a circle, what we have to do first? We have to go to control block. In control block, we have to use repeat command, repeat script, repeat. So, for circle, as we all know that, we have to take 360 degrees. So it has to repeat 360 times the complete rotation. And then in events, we have when flag is clicked, we have to use flag is clicked. And then in motion, we have move 10 steps. So here we have to make it as 1 step. And then the angle, what is the angle for circle? It's 1 degree. So use only 1 degree. So this is the script to draw a circle. But here we have to use pen down. So where will you get the pen down? Again here I don't have pen down block. So for that I will go to more options and then I have taken pen down here and I will keep this pen down here and every time it should erase. Now you can check. It will draw a circle. But if you observe here, it is drawing very slow. Sprite is drawing the circle very slow. So for that, what you have to do? You can just take out this 0 from this 360 and add here 10. Move 10 steps and move 10 degrees. And just see once what happens. So like this, you can draw a circle. Now, every time you cannot use this again and again the same commands. So for that you can create your own block. You can create Using this my blocks, you can create your own block. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just go to my blocks and say here, make a block, and here give the name for the block. So here I'm giving draw circle. So this is the block I have created, draw circle, and just I will say okay. Now for this you will get, once you say draw circle, you will get define draw circle. So for that you will know the commands, just move this here. So this is the command, this is the script to draw a circle. So every time whenever you will give in your script just draw circle, you will get the circle here. So every time you don't need to use again the same commands again and again. So now using this circle, I'm going to draw some pattern. So for that, what will I do? I will use here repeat command, repeat, and I will say repeat 10 times, or you can use repeat 90. And then what is the block we have to use? Draw circle here, and then move 10 steps. See what pattern you are going to get. Move 10 steps and here turn 15 degrees. Change color, and you can go to pen block and you can say change color. Change pen color by 10, and pen size also will set pen size by 2. 10 and try once again. So now if you don't want to erase this, whatever pattern you have drawn, just you take out this erase all option from this and continue the same. It will not be erased. So same way here, color, instead of change pen color, you can choose some other option. Say suppose you want to say brightness. Just choose brightness and try once. So I hope it's clear how to draw the patterns using circle, how to take the angle to draw different shapes. So hope try all these scripts, and please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.